Module 4, Lesson 2, Topic 2 Insert and manage rows and columns. After you create an Excel table, you can add or remove rows and columns by using different methods. Method 1, by using the Resize command. Select any cell within a table in an Excel worksheet. Then, go to the Table Tools Design ribbon, the Properties group, and then select Resize Table. Then select the range you want to include, starting with the upper leftmost cell. And then select OK. Method 2, enter data. To add a row to a table, start entering data in a cell below the last table row. The table expands to include the new row. To add a column to the right of the table, start entering text or numbers in a cell to the right of the last column. Method 3, paste data. To add a row, paste the data in the leftmost cell below the last table row. To add a column, paste the data to the right of the table's rightmost column. Method 4, insert data. To insert a row, pick any cell that is not part of the header row and right-click or access the context menu. Then select Insert, and then select Table Rows above or below. To insert a column, pick any cell in the table and right-click or access the context menu. Then select Table Columns to the left or right. To delete rows or column, first select the table rows or table columns. Then go to the Home ribbon, Cells group, and select the arrow next to the Delete command. Then, select Delete Table Rows or Delete Table Columns. Or right-click or access the context menu, select Delete and then select Table Columns or Table Rows. To enable a total row at the end of a table, first select a cell within the table. Then go to the Design Table Tools ribbon, the Table Style Options group, and select the Total Row box. Or use the Ctrl+Shift+T keyboard shortcut to add a total row at the bottom of a table. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Naming tables and ranges. Keep learning.